This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing documents because missing papers delay connection, gather land or rental proof, Aadhaar, PAN, and one recent photo. Once done, decide load. Single phase for small homes, 3-phase for larger loads. This determines your meter and charges. Make sure to note the exact installation address and contact phone. Utility teams use these to schedule inspection. Now, head to the local Kseb office or the online portal with digital scans and start the application form, entering correct customer category and required load. You fill the application carefully. Errors slow approval. If online, upload clear scans. If at the office, keep originals for verification. Once submitted, pay the application and processing fee. Retain the receipt and application number for tracking. Next, Kseb schedules site inspection. The inspector checks wiring, meter placement, earthing, and proposed load. During inspection, be present to answer questions and provide original documents. After approval, Kseb issues an estimate for service connection and transformer or meter costs. Review it. You complete payment for approved charges, so Kseb schedules the final work. Once the crew installs the line and meter, inspect the meter seal and initial reading. Sign the commissioning sheet. Keep receipts and the test report. These prove the connection date for billing. If installation stalls, escalate with your application number to the local office or consumer grievance cell and request a written status. One key troubleshooting tip. If your meter shows no supply after installation, confirm the supply fuse and earthing, then lodge an immediate complaint with evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.